In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly relieve nerve pain in your upper back using no special equipment. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe coming to you from SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. In this video, we're going to focus on pinched nerve pain in the upper back, even more so when it travels off to the sides, including the shoulder blades. All of these exercises are easy, effective, and can be done at home. As a bonus, they will not require any special equipment, and you may find they give quick relief, even in as little as 30 seconds. So let's get started and fix that nerve pain in the upper back right now. So here is a great decompression traction or pulling stretch into the upper back that helps take pressure out of spinal discs and hopefully off any nearby pinched nerves. It's very easy to do. We just need a flat elevated surface. You can use the edge of a bed, you can use a desk or a chair. We're also going to start off on our knees, so make sure to put a pillow or towel underneath them for extra comfort. Let's go up to that flat elevated surface. First movement, again, very easy. We're going to bend the elbows just like this, place the back side of the arm flat on that surface. We want to press down with the back side of our arms too, because it's going to be kept stationary as an anchor point. Our hands are going to go right on the back like this, right over the shoulders. Let's do a simple chin tuck too. Take the chin down towards the chest to put it into better posture. Movement from here, what I'm going to do is take my butt, lower it down towards my heels. When we do this, you're going to feel a very good stretch happen, pretty much from the base of the neck into the upper back all the way down to the lower back. We also want to let our chest relax and go forward, kind of like letting it sag down towards the floor as much as you can. So go to a point where you start to feel a very deep stretch into that area where you're having pain into the upper back. From there, hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Do nice, slow, controlled breathing too. Let that tension out. The more you relax, the better the results. From here, we're going to come back up, take a breather, and then simply repeat this 3 to 5 times. With each repetition, try to stretch more into it. Challenge those muscles, get that pressure out. We can also do a different variation of this. Instead of going on our elbows, what I'm going to do is straighten my arms at the elbows just like this, put my fingers into that flat surface, kind of grip right in there for a stable anchor point. Let's do that chin tuck again, and the movement is the same, taking the butt down towards the heels. From here, let's let the chest sag down towards the floor as much as we can to get a deep stretch into the upper back. Again, let's try to focus on hitting that spot that has a lot of pain. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds, and then just relax and repeat this 3 to 5 times. How we can take this one to the next level and target it just a little bit differently, instead of going straight, let's go towards an angle. So I'm going to just position my body a little bit more towards my right and then repeat this. You'll feel the back open just a little bit differently. So experiment with different angles. Go all the way towards the right and then go all the way towards the left. And when you do this, if you notice that one certain spot just hits it a little bit better, you'll want to make note of that, throw more repetitions in, and focus on the movements and spots that offer the most amount of relief. Here is an upper back pinched nerve exercise that you can do in bed, and the great part is we're going to let gravity do all of the hard work. To start off with, let's go on our back, have our head off the edge of that bed. We're going to take our hands, put them on the back of the head to support it. Our elbows are going to get winged down as much as we can, so just allow gravity to take our elbows, wing them down towards the floor. You should feel a very good stretch into the chest, and it should feel like the shoulder blades in the back are starting to pinch together. From here, I'm going to use my feet and legs to push myself off the edge of the bed. We want to go over a point where you are having pain and discomfort. Once we are over that spot, what we want to do is just allow our head to go downwards, and this will put our back into extension or a backwards movement that helps take pressure off spinal discs and hopefully off nearby pinched nerves. Wing the elbows down as much as you can. Let gravity take the head and upper body weight down. This should feel like a very pinpoint stretch over the edge of the bed and over the upper back. If your bed does sag down a little bit, you can put a towel or a pillow at the edge to stiffen it up. But we want to hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. From there, when we need a breather, we just come back up like this. But you want to do this for 3 to 5 complete repetitions. With each repetition, bring the elbows down even more. Let gravity take more of your head and upper body weight. Try to challenge and open up those joints as much as you can. You can do this from the top, and slide down all the way towards the bottom, and just target any spots that you feel just need it a little bit more. You can intensify this stretch by also just allowing your arms to go straight like this down towards the floor. So give that a try. If it feels like it just offers you more relief, go with that. To take this one to even the next level, what we can use is a simple weight. I'm going to be using a 1 liter water bottle. You can use a soup can, milk jug, anything that might be a couple pounds. From here, I'm just going to stretch my arms out, take the weight, put it in my palms, and allow it to be taken down by gravity. This will be a very intense stretch, so only go to your comfort level. But hold this for 20 to 30 seconds, relax, throw in a couple repetitions, switch over different spots, target the ones that need it the most. This is what I'd like to call threading the needle. It's an anywhere exercise that you can do at home or at work. We just need a flat surface like a door or a wall. So let's go next to a door. I'm going to space my body just a little bit away from it. My feet are going to be hip width apart. During this exercise, we're going to position our weight onto our heels. So make sure to always have your weight on your heels during this exercise. Our arms are going to go straight at the elbow. Arms are going to be roughly shoulder width apart. Our hands are going to go overhead and just stay stationary on this door during this exercise. Figure hands is kind of like suction cup to this door. They're not going to move. From here, I'm going to tuck my chin towards my chest. The movement, very, very easy. We're going to position our weight onto our heels and then squat down towards the floor, taking the butt down towards the floor. When you do this, you're really going to start to feel the chest start to go towards the door, and it's going to have a very good stretch also happening. Really try to focus on that. Once we hit a very good stretch, especially over the spot of discomfort, hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Do nice, slow, controlled breathing also. When you need a breather, just come back up. Try to reach up just a little bit more on the next repetition and then squat down even further. Always challenge yourself to always get a better stretch because it'll help open up those joint spaces, relieving pressure off spinal discs and pinched nerves. Try to do this for 3 to 5 complete repetitions. From here, we can experiment with different angles. We can go a little bit towards the left, but you'll notice this opens up the back just a little bit differently. So go all the way towards the left and then go all the way towards the right. Notice if any spot hits it just a little bit better. If it does, throw more repetitions in at that point. But let's take this one to the next level by incorporating a little bit more rotation into it, threading the needle per se. So I'm going to go back to that original position. I'm going to squat down until I feel a very comfortable stretch. From here, I'm going to take one arm off like this, bend the elbow at 90 degrees, and then rotate my body towards the other direction. So I'm taking my left arm off and then rotating towards my right. You'll really feel a good stretch, mostly in the upper back right across the shoulder blades. Really try to reach as much as you can. Again, 20 to 30 second holds. You're just going to relax from there, take a breather, and then switch to the other side. If you notice that this gives you a lot of relief or just one certain movement, like let's say that the left side is just targeting that the best, make note of that. Try to do it for about 3 to 5 repetitions. Here is a 2-part exercise that is perfect for office workers and students because we can do it right in a chair. In the first part, and I really like this one because not only is it going to hit the spine, but off to the side too. So if you have a lot going on in the shoulder blades, give this one a try. Let's start with very good upright posture in our chair. Whatever side that we're focusing on, in this case I'm having a lot going on my right, what I'm going to do to start off with is hunch forward with my shoulders and upper body until I feel a very comfortable stretch into the upper back. The next movement is we're going to rotate or turn our upper back in the opposite direction that we're having pain. So again, if I'm having right-sided pain, I'm turning all the way towards my left. You should already start to feel a very comfortable stretch into the right side. From here, I'm going to take my left hand, place it on the back of the head, pull my head down towards my left armpit. This will really intensify that stretch on the right, so only go to your comfort level. Really focus on feeling it into the upper back, but also off to the side. Hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds. Relax, take a breather. On the next repetition, always stretch into it more. Go more forward with it, rotate away from the side, and then pull the head down. Try to do this for 3 to 5 complete repetitions. In the second part, we're going to focus on extension or backwards movements. This really helps take pressure out of spinal discs that might be causing nerve pain. Let's start with very good upright posture. What I'm going to do is just lean my upper back into the back of the chair just like this. Hands go on the back of the head. We're going to wing the elbows back as much as we can. You should feel a very comfortable stretch into the chest. Also, the shoulder blades should feel like they're starting to pinch together. From here, I'm going to lean back with my head my shoulders and upper back into the back of the chair as much as we can. And I kind of let my stomach go forward just a little bit too to help intensify this stretch. It feels really good, a very deep stretch in between the shoulder blades of the upper back. Try to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. From there, you're just going to relax, take a breather, and then repeat. Again, with each repetition, try to stretch more into it. You can also position your body by moving your butt forward and backwards to hit different spots of the upper back. So give that a try and focus on the spots that you feel hit it the most and throw more repetitions in. If the video helped, please support the channel by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to our channel too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching.